Is it time to buy or sell Fannie Mae stock? In this video, we will explore Fannie Mae in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Fannie Mae as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.29. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently moving within a very wide and horizontal trend, and further fluctuations within this trend can be anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.81% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 32.23% to positive 16.31%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 265.11%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 191.41% and 394.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $28.97 and $49.19. Our latest daily update for Fannie Mae includes the headline, High Volatility in Fannie Mae Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $9.94. The Fannie Mae stock price gained 19.90% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, rising from 8. Fannie Mae, along with Freddie Mac, is on track for a potential initial public offering, as reported today, August 8, 2025. The Trump administration is considering selling between 5% and 15% of their stocks, an offering that could value these companies at approximately $500 billion. This move comes after Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have remained under federal conservatorship since the 2008 financial crisis. The administration estimates that the IPO could raise around $30 billion, providing a significant influx of capital. This announcement has already begun to influence investor sentiment, potentially leading to short-term stock price increases as interest builds around the upcoming offering. Long-term, this could mark a pivotal moment in the housing finance market, as exiting conservatorship might unlock substantial value for Fannie Mae shareholders. However, investor caution remains, especially for common shares, as preferred equities currently offer more compelling value due to their lower risk profiles and better returns. Additionally, Fannie Mae's recent earnings and positive trends in consumer sentiment towards housing indicate a recovery in the housing market, further supporting this positive narrative. Overall, the impending IPO not only signifies a shift in the operational landscape for Fannie Mae, but also positions it for enhanced market activity and investor engagement in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 7, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned FNMA a underperform grade along with a hold action. On Monday, June 17, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush once again assigned FNMA a underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, February 26, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned FNMA an outperform grade accompanied by an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Fannie Mae stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. However, concerning return on investment, the analysts have issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Fannie Mae. The Fannie Mae stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $8.61 and $8.92. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 12.73%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 54 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 196 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fannie Mae. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.35 and $8.45. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaching this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Fannie Mae finds support just below today's level at $9.35. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.45 and $7.63. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and given the decent trading volume, the risk is deemed to be moderate. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.78 between its high and low, which is a change of 21.32%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 8.52%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for Fannie Mae, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a subdued outlook for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fannie Mae. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fannie Mae is at $10.78. If you do not own any shares yet, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this might present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Fannie Mae encounters its first support level at $9.35. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, allowing for the possibility of a rebound. The combined average rating for Fannie Mae from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of July, 2025, Habib Berry conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities beneficially owned. On the 6th of May, 2025, Stuckey Michael conducted an insider buy of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of May, 2025, Stuckey Michael conducted an insider sell of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Biso Eric conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities beneficially owned. On the 14th of April, 2025, Malik Omid conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities beneficially owned. Based on the 54 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 0.028. Overall, insiders purchased 8,024 shares and sold 77,272 shares in the last 54 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.37, reflecting a decrease of 5.74%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 53 days ago. Is Fannie Mae stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, leading us to conclude that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Fannie Mae stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis for this stock, upgrading our recommendation from a sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate that Fannie Mae will open lower by approximately 467 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $9.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.